Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the flood scanning effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effects, scroll down to find the flood scanning effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And something that I should mention is that you guys won't be able to use this or rather export this effect if you don't have CapCut CapCut Pro. It's a pro feature for the software. Okay, so now that you have your effect on the timeline, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the atmosphere, the blur, the color, horizontal strength, glow, and speed of the effect, right? And we can also add keyframes. You guys can mess around with these effects as you please. So let's check it out. And there you have the flood scanning effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys again for watching and have a great day.